land, houses, mobile home, condos, doesn't matter, at 80 to 90% off. That's what we are buying. We are getting interest rates of 16 to 18%. Okay, you can get it up to 25%, you go to Texas. And if Texas is like their own state, okay, and it's a penalty there in Texas, all right? So, in the United States of America, we all understand we have to pay property taxes. Love it or hate it, nobody, I don't think, smiles and gets up in the morning and says, oh, I'm gonna go pay my property taxes today. Not really. But we enjoy it because we are in the business of the property tax business. People who don't pay their property taxes, that's our business that we do, all right? So remember is that if you own real property in the United States, you will receive a tax bill from the local tax collector. And they're created by your elected officials. So remember, every state runs differently, okay? Every state runs differently. All right? Even though it's a deed auction, it could be run completely different. Even though it's a lien auction, it could be run completely different. If it's a tax redeemable deed, it could be run completely different. All right? Very important.
Is it similar in a state or county? Can the counties do it differently?
Yes. Counties and municipalities or cities. That's correct. That's correct. Okay? So, next thing.